How does your body recover after severe sleep deprivation? When you skip sleep, your body accumulates something called sleep debt. This debt triggers an intense drive to sleep, pushing you to rest longer and enter deeper stages of sleep. During this time, your brain floods with slow-wave sleep, which is crucial for physical and mental restoration. It's like your body is trying to catch up on missed repair time all at once. One surprising fact is that during recovery sleep, your brain ramps up its detox process. The slow waves you experience during deep sleep help flush out toxins like beta amyloid, which accumulates during wakefulness. This cleansing is essential to maintaining memory, focus, and overall brain health after severe sleep loss. Sleep loss throws your hormones out of whack, especially stress hormone cortisol and growth hormone, which supports cell repair. Your body uses recovery sleep to rebalance these hormones. Growth hormone surges during deep sleep, aiding muscle repair and immune function. Meanwhile, cortisol levels normalize, helping you feel less stressed and more alert after catching up on rest. Severe sleep deprivation impairs your attention span, memory, and mood regulation. Recovery sleep helps reset these functions. As you get more rest, your brain strengthens neural connections that were weakened by lack of sleep. This improves your ability to focus, recall information, and stabilize emotions, making you feel sharper and more balanced. While a few nights of extended sleep can reverse acute sleep deprivation effects, chronic sleep loss requires consistent good sleep habits. Your body cannot fully recover from long-term deficits in just a couple of nights. Establishing steady sleep schedules allows ongoing repair, hormone balance, and brain function to fully restore over time. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.